Hey guys, it's Kevin Rita here from Voy Media, and today I want to go over creatives that I saw this week that I really like, and I want to do a deep breakdown of why I like it. And the company I'm talking about today is Handy, and they're a home cleaning service, and they're running a lot of ads right now compared to what they were running before, so they're doing a lot of testing, and I want to show you guys what they're doing and potentially why it's working for them. Let's take a look right now and go into the episode. This is the company called Handy.com. And this is their ad library that you can find it from just typing in Handy here. And if you look at their ads right now, they're doing the style that we really like to run and we really like to test, which is kind of running these video ads with this unique messaging on top, and that looks very native. So if you look at the Handy ads right now, they have an offer for $19 cleaning. Really, the message is something that resonates with their customer, their target buyer. I know that this resonates because I actually have a cleaning company myself as well. So a lot of this messaging makes sense for what we've seen in customer emails or customer support. If you look at one of their ads, they have three ads right now, right here that we can see. We had major arguments over cleaning, and it shows a really dirty home. Let's take a quick look at this ad and kind of go over it a little bit in detail. We had major arguments over cleaning, and then it basically says this guy's not clean or something. It's just music. But basically, the first 3 seconds really talks about what is a major pain point that this person is experiencing and then how they found the app. Another one is he never cleans, I do everything. The thing about what you see here is intro clip or sort of intro segment is the same. What changes is the text on top that the user sees the first time. And that's kind of like the hook that you want to be thinking about and want to be using. And again, if you're thinking about making this type of ad or creative, it's pretty easy to make. If you look at the ad and the library, it's really just an Instagram edit on top of a video. So if you have designers, just tell them to take that vertical video, put it into Instagram, and then add the text overlay on it because it also makes it look natural. It also makes it look native, which is sort of what you want to do in this ad style that we see to be working well for them. Let's go back again here, and you could see that he never cleans, I do everything, and now shows like a dirty bowl. These type of ads do well, and let's take a quick play it again.
Lindsay would probably be the first to say.
So again, you could see that the content from this ad and the content from the other ads, the only thing that changed was the first 3 seconds. This is really where you're going to be getting a lot of drop off in your creative is this sort of first 3 seconds. This is where you want to be testing different hooks, different angles, and different texts. And again, in a previous episode, we talked about iterations. This is kind of what we mean where if you're filming or shooting content for your ads, you can just be shooting 3 second content and then clipping it into other stuff that you know works well. You see how different these ads are from these ads. These look more native, more natural looking, and you could tell that by just the text that they're using and how they're typing. It looks like someone typed it on their Instagram account. So that's kind of how you could do it is take these videos and add these text on top. It's going to make it look native because you can clearly tell that this content is a little bit more raw and it looks better on the newsfeed. See here, they're using kind of like a TikTok-ish type of style where they're snapping. We're seeing that being used a lot. Again, no hassle in negotiating. They're coming in with a great USP testimonial. This is a UGC video, clearly a UGC video, but it's also scripted. Anyways, that's a quick breakdown of the Handy ads. This is something that an ad library you should be taking a look at. What they're doing is something we've seen a lot of these big brands spending at least $1 million doing with native looking ads. And the ads look like they're edited in something like Instagram app. You can use something like Canva. You can also use any sort of video or photo editor to do this. And that's kind of what we do here at Voy. So hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Please take a look at their library. I think you can learn a lot. And any questions or comments, feel free to reach out to me, Kevin at Voy Media, and make sure to like and subscribe to us.